Hey, what's up guys, it's Phil from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you how to copy this part of a sheet to this Google Doc. When you make changes over here, those changes will be shown here. It's very convenient, very super thing to do. Let me show you how. Just select the part of your spreadsheet. You don't need to select the whole sheet, just the part like this one, and go copy. Over here, hit paste, and it will ask you to link to spreadsheet. Make sure that you are an editor of the sheet, or you allow others to be editors so they can change the sheet, and so you can see the live changes. Paste, and now you can see sheet over here. Don't change anything over here in the Google Docs. You can change the the styling, but for example, I want to delete this part of a sheet. Okay, and if I go back to Google Docs, you can see this button that says update, and it says update from example sheet. And if I update, you can see that we miss these two columns. If you want to, if you click this linked table options, you can click open source, and it will open the source sheet, which is this one. So I will now undo this, and I will hit F5 just to refresh it. And if I go back to my Google Docs, you can see update. So I update, and the data is back. This is it, a very nice thing when you need to add some sheets to your Google Docs. And be good, I don't know, have a nice day, and chill, bye bye.